Hey developers, today we're comparing how a junior developer and a senior developer handle one of the most common coding structures, the if-else statement. While both approaches work, there's a big difference in readability, maintainability, and overall structure. Let's dive in and see how they tackle the same logic. Let's compare the two approaches. The junior developer wrote this nested and complex if-else statement. While this works, it's unnecessarily complex. The nested structure makes it harder to read and maintain. Now, here's the cleaner version written using else-if statements. Instead of nesting conditions, I've kept them at the same level. This makes the logic flat and much easier to follow. The code runs through each condition step by step. The junior developer's approach, while technically correct, uses unnecessary nesting, complicating the code. The senior developer, on the other hand, keeps it simple and flat, making the code more readable and maintainable. The lesson here: avoid over-nesting and always aim for clarity in your logic.